Get ready with me to go to Glow Recipes pop-up in Sephora Times Square for the launch of their new Hue Drops. Naturally, I'm going to use them to get ready today. I have a foundation and it's a little matte for my liking, and I'm going to add Hue Drops to them to see if it makes them a little glowier, a little dewier. I'm going for a nice natural look today, so I think this is going to be perfect. I'm really excited to check out the pop-up. I heard there's amazing photo ops, and I'm going to pick up a box of Hue Drops for my friend. I just finished blending, and safe to say that did exactly what I wanted it to, but I'm just gonna finish up the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. Okay, my finishing touch. I love using Gloss Balm as my lip gloss. It's super hydrating, but also, like, look at that. This is my finished look. Let's just check in on the skin. I know you still see that glow. Okay, I'm all ready. Let's head to Sephora. Hopped in the Uber, and guys, we made it to Times Square. I'm so excited to be here. The first thing I saw is this wall, but come on, you know that I had to play with the photo ops. It is so cute. Posing with the dewdrops, it's so fun, but I'm picking up my Hue Drops for my best friend. I'm so excited to give them to her. And purchases $50 and up get a gift with purchase. You have to check it out.